everyone, welcome to another one of my special videos which I make for you. And today's video is very special, especially for those young people who are having a relationship. Last time we had talked about a relationship and how important it is to choose the right man for the rest of your life. Now you can have a lot of friends, but then you need to choose that one special person who is going to make you happy and who's going to love you for the rest of your life. So right now I am somewhere which is very exciting, but let me not delve into that. Let me first request you to subscribe to my YouTube channel and then press the bell icon so that you are regularly updated whenever I upload a video. Okay, today's topic is about relationships again. Right now, you must be, I'm talking to my young friends, right now you must be around 18, 19, 20, 21. You might be going around with somebody right now, with a man of, maybe you're thinking he's the man of your dreams. Well, he might be the one and only person who you might be spending the rest of your life with. But there are certain things that a man wants that you should be very careful about. I'm talking to the women. There are certain things that a man wants in a woman, and then a man is very differently cut out from a woman. He doesn't think in the same way that a woman does, in the same way that we do. He thinks in a completely different way. And all the men that I have met in the past have one thing that I have understood is that they want a lot of freedom. They don't want somebody to sit on top of their heads and say that you're mine and you will do exactly how I tell you to do. No, they don't want that. They want you to give them the freedom to be who they are, not your pet. Remember that a man is an individual who loves his own freedom, so you cannot make that person just because he's your boyfriend or just because you're going around with him or your companion or somebody you spend a lot of time with, doesn't mean that you are going to tell him to do certain things, or you're going to make him dress in a certain way, make him speak in a certain way, make him do things that you like. He is an individual. Let us respect him for what and who he is, not what you want. What you want, I mean, I'm sure that your boyfriend must also be doing that, the same thing to you. Maybe that's why you're doing that. But let us grow up. Let us become more evolved people. Let us become more humane towards our companions and our friends and our boyfriends, because this is what the number one thing they want is freedom. Freedom from all that claustrophobic ideas that you might be having about possessing him. The other thing that he really likes is to be respected. Respect your boyfriend, your companion, and your friend for who he is and what he does. Not, you shouldn't be kind of saying things to him in public where he might be feeling humiliated, or he might be feeling disrespectful, or he might be feeling uncomfortable with certain words or certain statements that you might be making. So it is very important that you make your man feel comfortable in the presence of everyone, including yours, so that you actually respect this person, so that he has the tendency to respect you in turn. This is something which is very, very important for a man. Respect the man in your life. The other thing that you must do is to actually acknowledge his activities. It is important that you acknowledge the activities that your man does. And it's very important for you to support your man's activities. Whatever he does, maybe he does business, he plays a sport, he writes, he sings, he dances, he does whatever. Acknowledge his talent, acknowledge his activity, acknowledge his caliber, his capability, his creativity, and that will make him very proud of himself, and he will in turn be very comfortable with you. But if you are constantly harping on things like, oh well, you're not spending time with me, you are more interested in your activity, or you are spending more time with your friends, or things like that, that will kind of make him step away from you, and that is not very healthy for a relationship. That you should keep in mind. The other thing that you must do is give him a lot of security, emotional security. A man loves to stay around a woman who makes him feel comfortable. He can cry in front of this person. He can cry, he can laugh, he can talk about his dirtiest secrets. He can divulge anything he wants with a woman, and then he is going to really love you, and he's going to take you as his companion because you are giving him a lot of this security, this emotional security that I'm talking about. And the other thing that is very important that you should give your man when you're staying with him is excitement. You know, he should be excited about meeting you. He should have that kind of feeling, that adventurous feeling that I need to go and meet her. This is going to be a beautiful day because I have a date with her. And you know, you should kind of exert that kind of excitement in him that you know, he's coming to meet you. You shouldn't be a grumpy old female who has so many complaints about him coming late and him not spending time, him not giving a gift. Come on, he's a man and he has got so many other activities apart from you. So you must understand that a man needs to be respected, he needs to be given his freedom, he needs to be given his space, and he has his own friends, so he needs to spend time with his friends as well. So if you are somebody who's going to say that go ahead and spend your time, so when he comes back to you, he's going to be very excited about telling you his stories about the time he spent with his friends and what he did and what he did not, and what has happened in his business life, what has happened in all the. So but if you are going to cling on to him and you're going to say I want all of your time with me, that is the time when your man is going to move away from you. So be careful about that. Be careful about how you handle your man. Love him to the most. Whenever you are with him, this might not be the one and only relationship you'll have. You'll probably have 10 different relationships and you're going to finally find that one man you're going to settle down with. But for now, if you are with a boyfriend who you really like a lot and who you admire a lot, who you really love being around, then respect him for who he is, respect him for the individual that he is, and love him to the most. Give him company, make him feel excited about meeting you. Look your best, look beautiful, invest in yourself. I always keep telling my young girlfriends, my friends from class, that you need to invest in yourself in way by doing some sort of activity, by being creative, by picking up a hobby, a new hobby, or something that is going to make your boyfriend again, your companion, your friend, your man friend feel very good about being around you and feel proud about you. Because when you have a talent, you need to express it. Don't keep it inside yourself. So these are the things that you need to do with your man, and you also need to do things with yourself. I'm going to speak more about these beautiful relationships that you need to have with your boyfriend or your girlfriend. For now, I'm going to say bye. I'm in a beautiful place. This is Decathlon. I love to come to this place. Decathlon is always filled with stuff, filled with sports stuff. I came in with my son and we had a great time. So while he was doing his shopping, I'm making this video, and he loves to do all that. He loves to buy his sports gear from here. So I'm right at the back of this whole thing, this building. So I'm right here. I'm going to go out now, and all of you have a great time. Well, the train has come. I'm not getting onto this train. I'm getting into my car. My car is here. I'm going to get into my car and I'm going to go. Bye. See you guys. See you then. Bye. I love all of you so much. Bye.